8 in 10 people experience foot pain in their lives. We aim to solve this. Introducing the Soul Insole BASE, our fully customizable soft orthotics. Our patented shoe bubble technology is built in to support all 4 arches of the feet with a rocker shape that redistributes pressure, eliminating foot pain and fatigue while improving alignment up the kinetic chain. With our proprietary lightweight high rebound foam, imagine thousands of tiny bubbles that can absorb impact and quickly bounce back. The result? A flexible, cushioned, supportive material that's in a league of its own. But we didn't stop there. We've taken foot comfort to the next level. Our biomechanically designed gel support pads are included along with outlines on the bottom side of the insole to specifically target and eliminate pain where you need it most. For ball of foot pain, additional arch support, overpronation, or supination. Our breathable hybrid fabric wicks moisture to block odors, and its smooth honeycomb weave gives traction while preventing blisters. Washable so you can move and reuse as needed. Thick cushioning supports the ball of foot region, and the insoles taper down at the front to allow extra wiggle room for your toes, ensuring a perfect fit within your shoes. A deep heel cup cradles the heels, relieving pressure and solving issues such as plantar fasciitis, while providing a solid foundation for the body. With these fully customizable insoles, you can take charge of your pain without spending $500 plus on standard hard plastic custom orthotics. There's nothing hard or rigid here. Our goal is to softly guide the foot to where normal should be. Engineered to be soft yet durable with our uni-molded manufacturing technique, dramatically extending the lifespan of the insoles. The Soul Insole BASE is unlike any other insole. Its unparalleled cushioning, ergonomic design, and customization will ensure you feel completely comfortable and supported. Soul Insoles will take care of your feet so you can do the things you do pain-free.